Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Greek Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. So this is filmed on Friday afternoon. You can see there quite a bit of progress being made. The concrete pull is going really well over the top of the rebar. Only a little bit left to do. This was filmed, like I said, mid-Friday afternoon. Railway line is due to open early hours of Saturday morning, and it looks like everything is literally on track for that. Again, pardon the pun. As you can see there, the concrete pump and quite a few cement mixers, I think they would have been called in the old days. Probably a more technical term for them nowadays. Just lined up there, waiting to deliver it. I think they said there's something like 500 square meters of concrete going into it. So the rest of the video is just going to be the overall view, so you can have a quick watch of that and just leave it running. That's it now for this video. Now the project, the main bulk of it is starting to wind down a little bit with the cranes, etc. I'll probably go back to a video every week or every couple of weeks now. Thank you ever so much for watching while the railway line's being shut, and I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks again.